You are going to love the 2016 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.